Is an app on your Samsung Galaxy A56 frozen slow or refusing to respond? In this guide, you will learn two quick and easy ways to force stop apps, helping restore smooth performance and fix temporary app issues within seconds. Method 1. Force stop an app through settings. This method gives you full control and works for any installed app. Open the Settings app on your Samsung Galaxy A56. Scroll down and tap Apps. Browse the list of installed apps and select the app you want to close. On the app info screen, tap Force Stop in the bottom right corner. A confirmation message will appear. Tap OK to confirm. The app will immediately stop running. If it was frozen or consuming too many resources, this should resolve the issue. Simply reopen the app when you're ready to use it again. Method 2. Use the app icon shortcut. Fastest method. If you're already on the home screen or app drawer, this is the quickest option. Locate the app you want to stop. Tap and hold the app icon until a menu appears. Tap the app info icon, the lowercase I inside a circle. On the app info page, tap Force Stop. Confirm by tapping OK. This shortcut saves time because you don't have to navigate through the settings menu. That's all there is to it. You now know how to force stop apps on your Samsung Galaxy A56 and quickly resolve common app performance problems.